Welcome back to part 20 of building a web app. Today I focused on the edit profile picture component that allows users to upload their profile picture and to crop it. When a user clicks on edit profile picture, they will be able to select a picture from the Finder or from the File Explorer if you are on Windows. I'll just select a picture now just for the sake of showing you. And then a dialog will open up where the user will be able to crop the image however they like. Once they save the crop, the image will be shown here, but only in the current state, because if I click on refresh here, the image will disappear from there. So if the user wants to save the image on the database, he needs to click on save. Looking at the code here, you can see that if I have a file name, meaning if I have a state of the image that I have uploaded now, that I just cropped, then I am displaying that one. If I don't have, then I am looking for image in the database. In this case, it's assigned image URL. We will see why. Or if we don't have an image in the database, then we are displaying a default picture, which is just the Remotify Europe logo. Then I have an input field here below that only accepts images. And whenever there is a change in the input field, the handle profile image function is triggered. We will see here that I have added class name of hidden in the input field. I don't want to show the actual input file name because by default we choose the classic choose file, no file chosen, right? But I don't want that. What I want to show is edit profile picture, and therefore I have added a button that shows just that. And when the button is clicked, I actually am clicking the input field. And I am achieving this with basic JavaScript by doing document.getElementById image click. Once the user selects the image, then a dialog appears where they are able to crop the image as I showed you. To crop the image, I'm using a library that is called React Image Crop, and you can just install it by doing npm install React Image Crop. Once the user crops the image and then saves, I'm storing the state of that image because I want to display it on the screen. Once the user has decided to save the changes, they can just click on save in the page, and that will trigger a save changes function that is not only used for the image but is also used for the other fields in the form. Image is uploaded in a bucket in Supabase. This is a private bucket. What does private mean in this case? That means that nobody can access this bucket from the outside with a simple link, but they need to get a signed URL. And so if I want to retrieve the image, I have then to retrieve with the create signed URL method offered by Supabase, which will return to me a URL valid for 1 hour. And so I'm calling this get signed image